Importing a location in 21 Risk is real simple. You just go to Manage Data Locations and click Add New. Here you can choose a name, an address, and hit Create. Now you have the location in 21 Risk. For the address, we get geo coordinates, and we can then fetch a satellite image that we attach to the location. If you have multiple locations, thousands of locations maybe, you can even import from a spreadsheet. You just select the data that you want in your spreadsheet and hit copy, and hold down I on the keyboard and select import. Here you simply paste and choose the corresponding columns, name, address, and hit import. And waiting. Now Denmark, Esbjerg, and China is imported.